3. Don't move! Joel!
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back. Never look back. Never look back. No, never look back. Never look back. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm just gonna show you my head because your girl ain't dressed from down. I'm actually doing my hair just now. Me and hubby were just resting, watching a show, and we are getting ready for date night. So we have an all white date night tonight. So your girl just finished her face. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think I'm getting a little bit better on the beat. So we're just here chilling, holding the vibes. We were at the pool for a good few hours. Man, we are exhausted. We are exhausted, but it was nice. We had a ball, you know. This couple getaway is just everything. It was definitely needed, and we've been working so hard, so it was just nice to get away and enjoy ourselves, and you know, meet up with 2 other lovely couples. So it was really nice. But I'm just here. I'm about to go get my hair done and get into our outfit. So you know Mr. Williams, he's already just showered, laying down here and on his phone as usual, playing his game and watching a movie at the same time. So I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm kind of grudge, you know, because because I had to do my makeup, and now I have to get back up to do my hair because we have our dinner reservation. Yes, so we have our dinner reservations at what, 8? So, and followed by, we don't know yet, but I guess you guys are just gonna have to stay tuned and tune in to see what it's gonna be followed by. So I'm gonna go and do my hair. Oh boy. And yeah, I actually hope you guys enjoyed the tour. It wasn't that much of a tour. Oh shoot, I thought I was supposed to give you guys a tour of the pool. Oh heck, I'm gonna put a clip. There will be a clip in that video somewhere. We tried to put up the drone, but as you guys seen, which you will see before this part, we were not able to get the drone up because there was flights just going out like crazy, so we weren't able to do that. But it's time to go get my hair started, because by the time I'm done doing my hair, it will just be time to put on our clothes and go downstairs and meet with the other couples. And yeah, so as you see here, we're just watching some show on TV and just chillaxing and just ate, like, well, we ate over an hour or 2, but we just had like a little bit of a snack, so a little pep in our step just to hold us till dinner time, because we're ready for this food. We're ready for this food. Okay, so let me go do what I'm doing. Enough talking, guys. Okay, guys, so we are, let me pause the tunes. We are almost ready. Are you ready? Oh, look at me and my baby. Mm-hmm. Yes, we are ready for the white party. Oh, I'll try not to.
No put your face like that. No put your face like that. Ready?
Just your face. Okay, guys, so we are almost dressed. Well, pretty much. I had to fight into the suit, but I got in it. Yeah, all white dinner affair, couples retrieve 2021. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna be having another one. Bigger and better. But yo, it's been a blessed few days.
Carry me.
Been a blessed few days. Oh, all right. So hubby went to go finish up his stuff. I gotta go finish up a couple of stuff and come back because we're going downstairs, guys. We're going downstairs. Party outside. We outside and we ain't going in tonight. All right, guys. Say, we ready to turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. Yeah, good night, good night, good night. Oh gosh. So we're ready to turn up. Okay. The vibes. So see, everybody in white. Yeah, you. Right, true. Oh Lord. Ooh, look at dinner. So this is tonight's setting right here. Yes, we are going to feast up. And Mr. Williams over here chilling like a villain. All right, so I got to go. We're gonna take a few pictures. Yes, because you know you gotta take your pictures then before you eat. Because after you eat, lips them not gonna look as luscious as they look right now. And my body might not look the same after I'm done eating either. Yeah, so like gotta make sure the pictures them are up first, but yeah. And then we go turn up. Right, babe? We go turn up. We outside and we ain't going
with DJ Super Mario.
Yeah, DJ Super Mario is our DJ for tonight. So we definitely go turn up. So we hitting the club. What club are we hitting tonight?
Club labor lockdown curfew.
Yeah. Oh, let me see. That the club that we reach? No man, that the one that sound boring. No. We got to find a different club to go to.
Club we're outside.
Oh, that one. Yes. Yeah. Club we outside. We ain't going in. We will see you guys there. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to continue seeing more videos like this. Yes. So we going to club we outside. We ain't going in, and it's gonna be a boss. Oh, snuckums. Why are you hiding? You say you love your trouble? Me? And the people always see I give trouble, you give trouble. I just learn from you. They always say you learn from the best, right? Yeah. So here we go. So the shots them are up. Yeah. Oh, everybody up in white. Love it. So we're about to go do the couples photos, and then we're gonna do the group photo. Let's go. Okay, so we all gotta go in.
Yeah, we're going
So we're gonna have to do two. So we'll do one with the guys them up and the girls them down at the bottom. So we'll all pair up, and then we'll do like a different one somehow. Yeah. And then so we gotta run up there somewhere. Stand.
I am. Alright. Mario, don't move. Joel, don't move. Because Mario, your head is already cut off.
Turn the camera up.
I can't. Okay, yeah. Alright, yeah, that's perfect. Don't move! Joel.
Don't jump.
Yeah. So you get everybody out.
It's cute.
One more.
Everybody out.
Everybody.
So what? The man them in the front and the girls up top?
Alright.
You can do that.
Alright, we'll go and set up. Come here for running
No,
now.
me do this man. I call you over there.
Okay.
I'm not running. good right here, because I'm going to come in, you know.
Yeah, but you're gonna go on that side for fear, man. The man.
You need to step up. Now we feel focused. Black fire.
Wait, for me, I over here, so I'm Joel's looking at me. Me, I look at Joel. I don't know why Joel look at me. Bats.
Very funny. Oh, the one that was Oh, Joel,
I'm going to take one more.
No, we're going to do it over.
You want, I don't mind fault now.
Higher fall.
No, you know the camera stays. Sometimes it take a while for it to focus. Oh. So it have a blur.
Doesn't you just press it little light?
That's why we have to tap it first.
Oh, okay. Alright.
See it focus good there now.
Alright, come, hurry up, man. We want to eat. We want to eat. We want to eat.
Come in, Joe.
Jeez. Alright, just get ready. Everybody ready?
My focus is still on no shape.
That's why I said let the run come in. You can run, but we have to go behind him.
Exactly.
You have to put down 1 second.
You ready now?
No, no.
Maybe you have to touch the screen.
I touch screen.
Move the camera a little.
One.
If the picture don't care, okay. Let's go. Oh my God.
The first one, perfect. See, the first
Okay, let me take off these shoes. All right, so photo shoot finished. Woo. Time to go grub. All right. Oh, that's okay. Ooh, solid.
AC I can.
So, there is dinner. Yeah. Okay, hold on. I need some ice. Ice. Oh gosh.
Well, you know, some of them documents on Netflix, you must say, oh, in the rich as people think.
I don't feel.
No, that's when they use him name. Him wicked, them say very deceptive, you know.
But then you can't look on the boy and not the same deceptive look on his face.
No.
Just so hurry up, no chip, and you can't see the unhappiness,
No,
man.
your man tell you say, yo, I went to tell you say to drink. I bleach.
No, man, this is fake.
No, sir, that's how I
You have so many man say I really did
That's
drink
how
that.
I never drink none yet. Man tell you to drink, he drink.
You know the part that I love?
some tunes. Run out of time.
A lot of rough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past how we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days I know it's every day. You want my